We will begin today statement cat. My name is Pavel. I hope you will enjoy. We write statement cat. It's very easy. You can writing some C-A-T, then the text file from you want to read something like, in our example, is text dot text and enter. And that's all. You know, it's very easy and it's very useful. But it's really some basic, okay? We just can write in the clear, which we can delete. So the next, which is very good as well, it's some stuff which you want to read the stuff from manual, from man. You can write in some man, cat, and enter. And then you can have lot of details regarding cat and how to write in with examples and everything, and it's really lot of stuff regarding this. Its name is manual, okay? So from cat, what we have been writing here, it's something stuff like cat text E, which is here, which making the empty spaces, which is very useful if you make by programming and you just mean see the empty spaces and you make like cat text E, look at that, and the dollar sign mean the empty, see the lines of your text. You can make something like that, cat text minus n, and the numbers which is automatically generated, how many rows you have in your file, which is very useful by programming. By our example you can see the 6, you have really the empty spaces. File to the other file, okay? So it's very useful if you have the text and you want to transfer this text, for example, to the text file number 2, which is not made in the moment, but it's automatically done, okay? So now we press enter. It's asking about my password, enter, and now we can see if it's really there, bin text. Here we go. Thank you for your attention.